Alright, I'm going to tell you guys about a portable, rechargeable burr grinder that I recently got. It's a little bit more consistent than a blade grinder. You see those a lot in some of the cheaper things. This one's actually a burr grinder, so you're able to adjust the size and get a really consistent grind for any bean that you're doing. So depending on whether you're doing an AeroPress or if you're doing a French press, or just your regular black coffee, it's nice. And this thing is really compact. Everything's self-contained. It has a battery inside of here, has a USB-C to USB port that it comes with, has a brush to get sort of little coffee grounds off everything. And like I said, everything's self-contained. But you put the beans in the top in here, and then once it grinds, you just change it from locked to unlocked, and then turn it upside down, and all your grounds will be right here. You can put it inside, whatever you're using to make coffee with, and cleanup is super easy. This may not replace your big grinder that you have at home, but for travel, for the office, for any time you need portability, and that's a crucial ingredient to what you're doing, this thing is going to work great for you.